If you're fine hairy, then choosing the best hair dryer isn't much easy. No worry. We can help you to get the perfect one. Let's find out about them. Number 1. Most popular. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Dyson's dryer is super-powered by a digital motor V9 combined with air multiplier technology to produce a high-velocity jet of controlled air for fast drying. The gift set includes a 35mm brush to help you create volume, a dead-angling comb, a smoothing nozzle, a styling concentrator, a diffuser, and a gentle air attachment to make it all even easier. There's also a built-in heat controller that measures airflow temperature over 40 times per second, so you never burn your hair. OFC, it comes with a pretty high price tag. Number 2. BaBylissPRO Tourmaline Titanium 3000 Hair Dryer. This easy-to-handle blow dryer features far-infrared heat and ionic technology to ensure fast drying and combat static and frizz. The tool has a comfortable grip to reduce fatigue on the hand and wrist when using it. It's super lightweight, making it a superior travel dryer, and works great for all hair types, including thick, fine, and coarse. It's got 6 heat settings and a cold shot button, being great if you're worried not to damage your hair when blow drying it. Number 3. Hot Tools Professional 1875W Quiet Performance Turbo Ionic Dryer. In the world of hair dryers, tourmaline is a premium material, and using it in your appliances can only bring positive things. As for the unit designed by Hot Tools, it ensured 2 things. The first one is the overall lightness of the product, which makes it great for users that don't have a lot of strength in their hands. The second is even heat distribution and optimal airflow that makes the appliance suitable for fine hair. The dryer offers 1875W of power. Number 4. TREZORO Professional Ionic Salon Hair Dryer. If TREZORO knows something, then it is making visually attractive products. We know that you probably care more about performance, but if you are a professional, you should also think about how your hair dryer looks. The ion generator and 2200W of power ensure all the heat you will ever need for drying your hair. However, it is the mixture of tourmaline and ceramic that distributes this heat, while protecting your hair and promoting its smoothness and shine. Number 5. KIPOZI 1875W Hair Dryer. The product has all the necessary certifications and safety features to make it suitable for both amateur and professional users. Those with fine hair will look for the concentrator attachment, but it is worth noting that you will also get a diffuser. The attachments fit well, and you can choose between 2 speed and 3 heat adjustments. The cool shot button is there for special styling needs. It is a shame that cord length is only 6.5 feet, but at least comes with a convenient hanging hook. Number 6. BioIonic Goldpre Dryer. The BioIonic Goldpre Hair Dryer is another dryer that you could get to style your hair every day. It's a ceramic hair dryer, an aspect that makes it suitable for those who have fine hair. The dryer is designed with 24K gold in the barrel, which ensures even heat distribution, so that you can dry your hair efficiently to achieve the desired shine. Moreover, this dryer is designed with advanced natural ionic technology. It helps to keep your hair hydrated and healthy. Number 7. BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Portofino Dryer. A professional tool that helps you get salon-quality results at home. It's an excellent hair dryer equipped with a high-performance 2000-watt motor and 6 heat/speed settings, enhanced with nano titanium technology to distribute heat evenly. Pretty powerful. BaBylissPRO comes with 2 concentrator nozzles that'll get your smoothest and shiniest hair. And it'll do it fast. This ionic blow dryer features 6 heat/speed settings and 2 concentrator nozzles to help reveal your smoothest, shiniest hair. If that's what you want, this one is perfect for you. Number 8. FHI Heat Platform 2000 Chrome Professional Tourmaline Ceramic Hair Dryer. FHI brings this high-performance dryer, combining endurance with power, delivering fast results. Designed for salon use, it dries hair up to 50% faster than most dryers while moisture-locking. Negative ions seal and vital hydration, repel humidity, reduce frizz, and eliminate static. It comes with a speed dry nozzle, curls defining diffuser, and straightening comb, helping you do different looks fast. You can also click on and off, locking the cool shot button to avoid finger cramping, allowing you to set styles with ease. It's the everyday care your hair deserves. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.